Today, I'm going to show you how to get Dropbox on your desktop so you can manage your files more easily and have everything synced automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Type in Dropbox and press enter. Look for the official Dropbox website, dropbox.com, to ensure you're downloading safely. Once on the site, click the download or install button to get the Dropbox setup file. After the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your downloads folder, and double click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It's simple and intuitive, usually requiring just a few clicks to accept terms and proceed. Once installed, Dropbox will open on your desktop. Log in with your email and password or create an account if you don't have one yet. With Dropbox on your desktop, any changes or files you add will automatically sync to the cloud. This keeps your data secure and accessible across all your devices while saving space on your local drive. And that's it. Dropbox is now installed, making file management smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe and turn on bell notifications for more tech tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback.